Hadin ke jing Shah Rem ke Bharatiya Janata Party ha ke election shiting samoy ha Gambegre Constituency ha ke arpulai trik unai wing arjar arpusaw ha bakren shikila pathai Khubor unong aiktin ke BJP uba Kharkrang uloong badon shibun ki aka ki ba ke party ke ha ban shong perkhat ban lap ik jingduna ke party uba Kharkrang uloong ban nakaliang ke party ke ha ban shong perkhat ban penkela ya ke buit trekam jong ke party Shushu uba Kharkrang uloong shwa ke election la UI beki Peit ba ki kwa ya karoi kapar ha Khubor Henry de la poi ke sngi thep vote bat new vote kadon ke jingkala na ka daw ka niam na marbon ki breu ki shim ba ka BJP ke de ke seng san perthai jong ka niam hindu.
What went wrong? I think so. A lot of things had gone wrong, and now the next step is we will sit down, introspect, and find out what went wrong, and probably we might have to change our strategy, how we we campaign here in Meghalaya, because many a times this every time the elections are there, there's a play of the religious card, and now we have to counter that. And we have tried the 2023 elections, but I think so there's a lot more for us to do. So I think so the next step for us here now is all the senior leaders of the state party will sit down, be honest and look into what are the drawbacks, and then we have to take corrective actions before the next elections.
Do you think that people are yet to accept the party?
Yeah, looking at by the way the numbers that we got, yes. So that's why there's a lot of work for us to do. You see, everyone, you speak to anyone, they will all agree that if BJP government is there, development will come. Development will be there because they have compared the way our state is developing with the other states. But when it comes at the back end of just before the election date or before the casting of the vote, then the religious card come to the picture. So this has been happening for a long time, and I think so now for the next election we have to really work out how to counter this.